Milk is good for you, right? Wrong. There are many healthy foods that are actually bad for you. My name is Dr. Monisha Bhanote, your personal well-being doctor. My goal here is to help you restore your health by understanding the power of integrative lifestyle and functional culinary medicine. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe for more content just like this. You know I'm all about taking care of your cellular health with intentional lifestyle practices. Let's get to it. In this video, we'll cover 4 food villains that are likely part of your regular diet. Stay tuned because number 4 will surprise you. First, let's talk about sugar. Believe it or not, there are over 50 names for sugar. You can't possibly memorize all those names, or maybe you can, but it's best to avoid processed and artificial sweeteners such as sucrose, cane sugar, cane syrup, corn syrup, fructose, and aspartame. Whenever possible, use natural forms of sugar such as dates, maple syrup, or honey to satisfy your sweet tooth. 2, the food industry developed ways to preserve and process foods for longer shelf life, but unfortunately, many of those added ingredients are extremely addictive, such as trans fat and high fructose corn syrup. These additives alter our gut microbiome and cause allergic reactions that affect our immune health and contribute to chronic disease. So when picking up food at the grocery store, don't forget to read the labels and watch out for these nasty additives. MSG, monosodium glutamate, artificial food colorings, blue number 1, yellow number 5, red number 40, sodium nitrate, guar gum, carrageen, high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, sodium benzoate, and xanthan gum. What are these? How can you steer clear of these food additives? Well, first of all, you want to choose whole foods and limit packaged foods. They will definitely benefit you by eliminating these artificial ingredients and preservatives and food coloring. Another food villain is one that's been paraded as a food hero for years. Bad news, dairy is not as good for us as we previously thought. In an extensive study, adults who consumed the most dairy were at a higher risk of total cardiovascular, that's heart disease, and cancer mortality. When dairy was replaced with beans, whole grains, and nuts, the risk decreased. In addition, dairy has been linked to Parkinson's disease and prostate cancer. Yet another study determined that women who consumed a 4th or a 3rd cup of cow's milk per day had a 30% increased chance of breast cancer. That's 1 in 8 women with breast cancer. And I'm sorry, cheese lovers, another study found that diet containing high consumption of American cheddar cheese and cream cheese resulted in a 53% higher risk for breast cancer. Even dairy products that seem healthy, thanks to good marketing such as Greek yogurt with cultures, aren't good for you. So remember, milk does not do a body good. I know, I love cheese too, but maybe look at some plant-based cheeses instead. And here's the secret you've been waiting for. The last food villain that you should really be aware of is ages. Yep, it sounds like we're aging. It's advanced glycation end products, otherwise known as glycotoxins. When consumed, they increase inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to degenerative diseases and aging. The acronym is appropriate since they tend to cause signs of premature aging, and bad news for you steak lovers, ages are ingested via meats cooked at high temperatures, dairy products, and foods with high sugar content. One thing to know is that even uncooked animal-derived foods contain ages naturally, and cooking, especially grilling, yes, barbecuing, broiling, roasting, and frying promotes even the formation of new ages. So why don't you stick some corn, some veggies, anything else on your grill and still have your barbecue? Here's the shocker. Bacon and Parmesan cheese are 2 extremely high sources of ages. And in the end, ages make your cells become stiffer, dysfunctional, and really, they just make your cells angry. Remember, habits are for short-term pleasure, routines are for daily maintenance, and rituals are for your long-term functional well-being. There you have it, 4 food villains to stay away from: sugar, food additives, dairy, and ages. Don't forget to check out my best-selling book, The Anatomy of Well-Being, in the description below. If you want to learn more about cell care rituals, check out these videos here. Are you ready to start your journey to well-being? Download the Anatomy of Well-Being journal with the link below.